Men feel less fulfilled than ever. How do you fix it? Men are takers and women are givers. It's not because you are a man and she is a woman. Both have been conditioned at a very, very young age. Men are vacuums, constantly consuming. More men are addicted to porn, alcohol, and drugs more than any other era before them. You're being blinded, on purpose and by design, to continue to consume. You cannot fill the void inside of you with anything from the outside. You cannot fill your cup by taking from someone else's spring. You take up space, but you don't create safety. You take their ideas, but you don't offer vision. You take their time, but you don't give presence. Give more than you take. Give authentically. Do not give in order to receive. Contribute without keeping score. Lift others up. Praise those around you. Don't tear them down to make you look better. Praise them to help them feel better. This is where a lot of men are going to get defensive and stop listening. Men are not evil. Men are not born bad. Men don't wake up and intentionally decide, how much can I drain from the people around me today? But men have been trained to receive care without recognizing the labor behind it. They've been trained to be served emotionally, sexually, domestically, and socially, while women are trained to notice needs, anticipate needs, and meet needs before anyone even has to ask. Men are not monsters. Men have been trained to move through the world like everything around them is a resource. All of it becomes something you consume without even realizing you are consuming it. Women become emotional resources. Sex becomes a resource. Attention becomes a resource. Your girlfriend's softness becomes a resource. Your wife's memory becomes a resource. Her body, her patience, her forgiveness, her ability to plan, her ability to notice when something is wrong, her ability to make a house feel like a home. And then you wonder why you still feel empty. That is the part men need to sit with. You can have the woman, the sex, the car. You can have the apartment, the gym body, the money, the boys hyping you up, the porn tabs open, the drinks poured, the distractions lined up, and still feel like your soul is sitting in an empty room. Because consumption does not create fulfillment. It creates appetite. First, put the phone down. After this video, look around you. What 3 things can you tackle right now? Pick up all the dirty clothes. Sort and put them in the hamper. Do 1 load of laundry. Full cycle. Wash, dry, fold, and put away. Do all the dirty dishes. Put them away after they dry. Clean out your fridge. Throw away expired and old food. Wipe down shelves with a wet cloth. Vacuum the floors. Pick up trash, clothes, toys before vacuuming. Do something that removes weight from someone else's shoulders. Do not turn it into a performance. Do not say, "Look what I did." Quietly become someone who contributes. That starts rewiring you from consumer to builder. Second, give one person real attention without trying to get anything from them. Ask someone, "How are you really doing?" Try with a close friend. We need more men supporting men. Not advice, not a lecture, not flirting, not waiting for your turn to talk. Just give your full attention. Third, when you reach for the thing you use to numb out, pause and ask, what am I trying not to feel right now? Before you open porn, before you pour the drink, before you scroll for an hour, before you eat when you're not hungry. Pause. Maybe you're lonely. Maybe you're bored. Maybe you feel useless. Maybe you feel rejected. Maybe you feel like your life is smaller than you thought it would be. Name it, because once you name it, you can actually respond to it instead of feeding it another distraction. Don't make this complicated. Today's goal is not to become fulfilled. Today's goal is to prove to yourself that you can add something to the world before you consume from it. Do one useful thing. That's it. That's the doorway. Comment mirror for your free guide.